Dear Sir, as a member of the local city council, may I draw your attention to the number of complaints which have been made to me in the past month in connection with the dense clouds of black smoke which have been coming from the chimney stack at your factory premises in the city. As you are no doubt aware, it is an offense for any firm to allow undue smoke to come from its factory chimney, and I should not be at all surprised if you do not hear from the police authorities in connection with this matter in the near future. It occurs to me, however, that you are probably not aware of this nuisance, as your offices are situated in a different part of the city. Para, I have pointed out to those who complained to me about this matter that I am sure you would not willingly allow this state of affairs to continue in view of the above remarks. I feel sure that you will wish to investigate the complaint, and I shall be most grateful if you will kindly let me know your feelings after you have had inquiries made at the works. May I say that it is my intention to bring the matter to the notice of my subcommittee on the council at their next meeting on August 2nd. If the smoke nuisance is not cleared up before that date, yours faithfully,